Hey everyone, welcome back to Freak Tech Guide YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Object Eraser to remove unwanted objects or people from a picture on your iPhone without a third-party photo editing app. This is only possible if you have iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, or iPhone 16, 16 Plus, 16 Pro, and 16 Pro Max with running latest iOS 18.1 or later. Repeat again, iPhone 15, 15 Plus, and all iPhone like iPhone 14, iPhone 13, iPhone 12, iPhone 11 users are unable to get cleanup feature on its iPhone. So friends, if you have ever taken a great picture but there is something in this background ruining it, don't worry. Follow my video steps. So let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Pic Photos app on your iPhone and select a picture that you want to clean up. For example, I want to remove a corner of the bed on this beautiful picture of my boy with a cute puppy. Step 2. Once you have selected your photo, tap on the three lines options located on the bottom bar of the screen. This opens all the editing options available. Step 3. Now look for the new cleanup tool. It's located in the same sections as the retouch and adjustment tools. If cleanup not showing on your iPhone, then directly jump to the video given on the above video card. So that's here a knot, tab, brush or circle what you want to remove, just pinch to pan and zoom. So I'm starting the process. I'm pinching this image of a zoom with my fingers. Some images take much time to remove object accurately, so I think this picture will take much time compared to other images. Because of I need to remove this corner and want to get complete floor tiles instead of the bed. If you do a big circle, then object size, then you maybe see a knot. Try again with a smaller area. So please draw a circle close to an object to get an accurate results. You may feel that your iPhone maybe become overheating because of this is AI feature use much hardware. Step 4. Simply brush over the object you want to remove. You can zoom in on the photo to be more precise. Once you release your finger, the object will be magically erased and the background will adjust seamlessly. Now step 5 is if the cleanup is not perfect the first time, you can undo it and try again. You can also adjust the brush size for a larger and smaller object. Now move on the next step 6. Once you are happy with your photos looks, simple tap on the done to save the changes. And there you go. You get a perfectly clean up picture without unwanted objects. Alternatively, you can use separate object remover app like Photo Director or Touch Retouch. That's it for this quick tutorial. Now you know how to use the cleanup feature on your iPhone to remove any distractions from your picture. If you have found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video awesome iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.